If you need portable soldering power for on-the-go projects, repairs, or emergency fieldwork, choosing the right cordless soldering iron can make all the difference. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 cordless soldering irons on Amazon in 2025, ranging from precision USB models to heavy-duty butane kits. Let's start with the Fanttik T1 Max Cordless Soldering Iron Kit. This compact yet powerful soldering iron is powered by a 2,600 mAh lithium-ion battery and features a USB-C charging port. One of its biggest strengths is speed. It heats up in just 7 seconds, reaching temperatures between 390 degrees Fahrenheit and 840 degrees Fahrenheit. That's more than enough for most electronics and circuit board work. The T1 Max also includes auto sleep and overheat protection, which adds safety and extends its lifespan. You get 4 precision tips in the kit, making it perfect for a wide range of small soldering tasks. Whether you're fixing a drone, wiring LED strips, or doing field repairs on a PCB, the Fanttik T1 Max offers speed, control, and convenience in a slim, rechargeable design. Users especially love how portable and fast it is, with many noting that it performs on par with corded soldering stations. Next is the LEXIVON Butane Cordless Soldering Iron Kit. This is a heavy-duty soldering tool designed for those who need a powerful, flame-based option in remote or high-output applications. Unlike battery-powered irons, the LX770 uses butane fuel and offers up to 125 watts of power. It heats up quickly and reaches flame temperatures up to 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for soldering, plastic cutting, wood burning, and even heat shrinking. What sets it apart is its versatility. It comes with 7 interchangeable tips and doesn't require electricity, making it perfect for automotive, jewelry work, or field jobs. With an adjustable flame and built-in self-ignition, it's incredibly easy to use and extremely portable. If you often work where power sources are unreliable or unavailable, the LEXIVON LX770 is a go-to solution. In the third spot, we have the Hakko Cordless Soldering Iron. This battery-operated soldering iron runs on 4 AA batteries and provides a maximum temperature of 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Though it's not as fast heating or as powerful as the Fanttik or LEXIVON, it's one of the most reliable and user-friendly models in the market. It features a quick-change T11B tip, and the design is lightweight and extremely compact. For hobbyists, students, and light-duty tasks like soldering wires, switches, or basic circuit boards, the FX901 gets the job done without the need for charging cables or fuel refills. It's especially ideal for educational settings or low-risk DIY environments, where portability and ease of use are more important than extreme heat output. Next up is the ISO-Tip Rechargeable Cordless Soldering Iron. This tool is a blend of portability and performance, delivering up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit with a 6.4 watt ceramic tip. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and comes with its own charging base, offering convenience and repeat use without disposable batteries or fuel. The ISO tip is a favorite among maintenance technicians and industrial users for its reliability and balance of power. It heats up in about 20 seconds and holds temperature well during continuous work. The narrow tip and solid grip design also make it a great option for precise soldering in tight spots. Users highlight its ergonomic design and how it feels professional in hand, despite being cordless. Finally, we have the NEIKO Cordless USB-Rechargeable Soldering Iron. This is a mini soldering pen designed for compact repairs, hobby kits, and light electronic tasks. It charges via USB and delivers temperatures from 356 degrees Fahrenheit to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers most general applications. While it may not have the high-end features of more expensive models, it offers reliable heat, a slim grip, and a fast recharge cycle. Its built-in LED indicator helps monitor heat status, and its lightweight design makes it extremely portable. For students, travel kits, or small emergency fixes, the NEIKO 40421A is a cost-effective and reliable choice.